Do you know workplace safety very well? Let's find out. Let's play true or false. Number 1, you must have a written risk assessment for every task. True or false? False. Only tasks with significant risk required a documented risk assessment. Low-risk tasks can be managed with dynamic or mental assessment depending on your company policy. Number 2,
Employer.
must provide PPE for free. Worker cannot be charged. True or false? It's true. In most countries, employers are legally required to provide mandatory PPE at no cost. Workers should never pay for their own protection. Number 3, near miss only needs to be reported if someone was almost seriously injured. True or false? It is false. All near misses must be reported no matter how minor. Small incidents are often early warning signs of major accidents. Number 4, a harness is always required when working above 2 meters. True or false? It is false. It depends on regulations. Some define heights at 1.8 meters. Others says any height where a fall can cause injury is considered working at heights. Number 5, ladder can be used as working platform for long duration tasks. True or false? It is false. Ladders are for access only. Use scaffoldings or MUPs for extended work. Number 7, a permit to work is required for all confined space entries. True or false? It's true. Confined space entries always required a permit, gas testing, and standby personnel. Number 8, fire extinguishers can be used without any prior training. True or false? It is false. Users must be trained. Incorrect use can worsen the fire or cause injury. Number 9, manual lifting limits are same for all workers. True or false? It is false. Safe lifting limits vary based on posture, distance, frequency, and individual capacity. Number 10, scaffolds must be inspected before every use. True or false? It is true. Scaffolds must be inspected daily and after any modification or adverse weather condition. Number 11, hard hats are only required in active construction zone. True or false? It's false. Hazard requires head protection, not just construction zone. Number 12, a toolbox stock is optional if workers are well experienced. True or false? It is false. Experience does not replace communication. Toolbox stocks are essential for hazard awareness. Number 13, last, emergency exits can be temporarily blocked if no work is ongoing. True or false? It is false. Emergency exits must remain clear at all times. 0 exceptions. How many did you get it right? Drop your score on the comment section below. And follow Safety Mindset and share this video for others to answer. Bye-bye.